How to activate PS4 as primary. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can activate PS4 as primary, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to activate your PS4 as primary, because activating as primary has many benefits on PlayStation consoles, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then basically open the settings application or the settings menu. Over here you'll be able to see account management. Just go to account management here, and over here if you look at the second last option, you'll have the option called activate as your primary PS4. Make sure to just go ahead and then select it up, and if it's not already activated, you'll find the activate button from the top. Make sure to click the activate option, and then you'll be able to activate this PS4 as your primary PS4. This way you'll be able to activate PS4 as primary. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.